Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your identity with Robinhood, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your identity with Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up first and then proceed with the verification process. After logging in, navigate to the account section, usually found on the bottom right corner of In the account section, look for the option labeled Profile or Settings. Select Profile to access your personal information. You will see a prompt to verify your identity if it hasn't been completed yet. Tap on the verification option to begin the identity verification process. Robinhood will ask for personal details such as your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Enter the required information accurately to avoid any delays in the verification process. After entering your details, you might be prompted to upload a government-issued ID. Ensure that your ID is clear and legible to meet the app's requirements. Follow the on-screen instructions to take a photo of your ID. You may also need to take a selfie for facial recognition and identity confirmation. Once you have uploaded your ID and selfie, review all the information for accuracy before submitting. After submission, Robinhood will process your verification request. This may take a few minutes to a few hours, so be patient during this time. You will receive a notification once your identity has been successfully verified. If there are any issues, Robinhood will reach out to you via email for further information. Once your identity is verified, you will have full access to your account features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.